Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TurboTax for legal needs, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official TurboTax website. Locate the download or get started button on the homepage. Select the version of TurboTax that suits your legal needs. Choose between the free version, Deluxe, Premier, or Home and Business options. Click on the selected version to proceed. Review the system requirements to ensure compatibility with your device. If everything checks out, click on the Buy Now or Get It Now button. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information and any applicable discount codes. Review your order details before finalizing your purchase. After the purchase is complete, look for the download link provided. Click on the download link to initiate the TurboTax installation file. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Files or Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install TurboTax on your device. Select your preferred installation location if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installed, locate the TurboTax icon on your desktop or in your applications. Double-click the icon to open TurboTax. You may be prompted to log in or create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your account and preferences. Select the type of tax return you need assistance with for your legal needs. Begin entering your information as guided by TurboTax. Utilize the help features or FAQs if you encounter any issues during setup. Once all data is entered, review your tax return thoroughly before submission. Follow any additional prompts to ensure your tax return is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.